In this video, we'll show you how you can add members to an activity. Let's start by clicking on the Activities button from your home screen and finding the activity you wish to add members to. Once you find the activity, click on it for it to open up the whole activity. From here, locate the three dots icon, which when hovering over it says View All, and click on it. To add new users to the event, click on the box that says Invite or Add Users. From here, using the search bar, you can type in the name of the users you wish to invite and add to the event. Once you've selected all the users you wish to add to this event, you can find on the bottom left corner of your screen a sign up button. Turn this on to immediately sign up these members to the event. Additionally, you can write a short message to your users explaining to them what the event is about or why they've been added. Once you are happy with the message you've written and you've signed up all the members, click Invite. From here, you're presented with the option of only inviting and adding these members to one event or for all activities within the series. In this example, I clicked only one event. Once this has been done, your members will then be added to the activity. To check on this, click the View All three dots icon, and now you'll see a list of the members that have been added to the activity.